instruments. The highly flexible woven metallic thermal detection loops are critical. A laser micrometer scans the
Ensuring the physical integrity of the trigger mechanism is paramount. Each unit must meet the narrow tolerances required for aerospace safety.
The automated optical microscope scans the process A raw material, ensuring the wiring harness establishing the mandatory process separation lock, materials are routed to their distinct zones for sequential production phases. This simulation ensures that when the heavy extinguisher bottles are later attached, the alignment will be perfect.
The blankets, made of layered, reflective metallic fabric, are applied by a gentle robotic arm, conforming tightly.
The pre-processed wiring harnesses are gently laid into protective trays. The technicians handle the complex bundle. The secure fastening of the titanium alloy sensor mounts. Installation of the junction boxes and intermediate relays, which manage the signals from the thermal loops.
The scan shows a perfect alignment with the CAD model.
Confirmed. All sensors are correctly positioned.
Okay, bring it left slowly.
Steady. Watch the clearance over the Process A cover.
Perfect, easy down.
Lower slowly. Watch the hydraulics.
Alignment is good.
Secure the clamps now.
Clamps locked.
Check the clearance on the manifold lines here.
Looks good, well within tolerance of the retraction mechanism.
An inert gas line is connected to the system, pressurizing the stainless steel piping, checking for micro leaks.
This component ensures that the system can safely vent excess pressure if internal temperatures rise critically high, providing a crucial layer of safety.
This seal ensures that the heavy bottle has not been removed.
Temperature spike confirmed. Pneumatic triggers armed.
System integrity verified. Test complete.
All right, bring it in slow. Watch the clearance.
Clear. Starting the automated sequence now.
The specialized crimping tool attaches the high conductivity copper strap. This ensures the integrated system is
Is the extinguisher integration fully tested?
Yes, the system passed all protocols. The final certification is right here.
The detailed schematics illustrate the integration of Process A and B components, highlighting the sensor loops and precise placement of the extinguisher bottle. clearance looks good on the manifold.
Okay, running the thermal scan now.
Temperatures are stable. System checks out.
Confirmed engine fire, undercarriage bay.
The system detects the heat and initiates the suppression sequence immediately.
The modular design allows for continued servicing of this complex system.
We'll verify the pressure on these extinguisher bottles now.